There's only 3 days left to get 15% off, so quickly go get it now at SMG4.store. And with that, we're gonna go to the video now. Woo!
This is so nice.
Welcome to another.
I'm going to die for you.
And home of rage moment.
Mario!
Eto, tutto lavato, l'abito. Hello.
No, not so.
No, I'll fix it.
Okay. But how you get up there though? You need a ladder. No, you...
I did it.
Well, thank God I have a spare.
God damn it! I can't believe it.
Mario.
What the SMG4 doing?
There's a ladder.
Ooh. What do you do?
Just hold this totem, we can all go home.
Wow.
Mario, we all know things are gonna end up on fire if you do anything. So please just stand there and be useless.
Oh. Mamma mia.
Huh? Why you need him then?
Oi, keep it still, Toad!
Hey, Stinky.
So this is how I died.
Oh. A people are tutto lavato,
Dang it. Oh hey, I'm hearing the Origami King music.
Don't mean. Don't mean. Don't mean. Don't mean.
No, not the ad thing.
My name is Cleveland Brown. My name is Cleveland
what?
Brown.
Mario, goddammit, hold it still!
Brown. My name is
No. Hold the ladder.
Okie dokie. Easy for me.
Oh, you got the Mario thinking now.
Oi, Mario, hold it still!
You little
No. Right.
done.
Okay.
Well, that was the only ladder we had.
Oh, you got the Mario thinking now.
How's it good?
I'm in danger.
Yep. Bye.
Shoot it down.
Spider pig. Spider pig.
That's not. Is that even stable?
Huh?
All it takes is just let one load knock. Oh, yep. One load knocking.
I gotta do it, man.
Yep. Oh. That burns down to the doom of.
Time to die.
Hey, what the hell is wrong with you? It's no use, Mario. Doesn't look like we can fix the light bulb.
Oh. Mamma mia.
What are you doing? What's going on here?
Eto, tutto lavato, l'abito.
Oh, you screw the damn light bulb in!
Oh no, why you have this thing along and you get it? Why you get it? Go and go, don't even know, and now it's gonna be stabbing your boy and you. Not fit.
What? What do you mean it's not working?
Eto, tutto
Light
lavato,
bulb.
l'abito.
Just force it in!
Okie dokie.
I did it! I did it!
Haha, let there be light!
Congratulations, entire plan has been.
Good evening.
Wow, I hate that.
You get no bitches!
Well, duh.
Can't touch me.
Hey, hey.
Can't touch me.
Better scramble like an egg before you get folded like an omelet.
Stop.
We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
Huh?
I'm a superstar.
Yo!
No, not really.
Luigi, we're so happy to see you. We just wanted to replace a light bulb, and now the power's out.
Go, Luigi. Tomara tutto rosso reparo.
Oh, yeah.
Operas ko ng barangay ko na barangay kay Toro na matoro na madan ko na patapang ko. Potono tunita na tunna na sana tunna kanara na sana na sarate na narapetani tiniti.
Wow, it's pretty convenient you had this on you then, huh?
Ah, no, sinete, pero konite no tonite. New Super Luigi Mansion full.
Looks like it's up to us then.
Alright, bet.
Okay, cool. No, we're doing a little picture of the mansion.
Get that motherfucker.
Well, technically, capital. You get the idea.
Oh yeah.
Well, now you're gonna get it, motherfucker.
You want penis? Enlargement pills?
Oh. Oh.
Yeah, boy.
Oh, okay.
Defeated now, bitch!
But that's gonna revive back. Yep.
I'm about to whip somebody's ass. Get in my belly!
Huh?
How convenient.
Haha, that's right. Take that, losers!
Well, you need to charge it up first, though.
Eccolo tutto, è sembrete.
What? No! This was meant to work! Come on, you stupid piece of...
No,
Stand back.
or something.
I'm warning ya.
Error. Cannot suit.
Oh, mamma mia, tutto il motore gravato. It's a fast
La la la. La la la.
Mario, I told you already. Toad won't work.
Shh.
Can I get a...
Come to Dragon Ball Z. It's kidding.
I did it. I saved the world.
You know, as usual.
Well, that was a load of
Back thing, boy. But what about the Lightbulb for Well, that's it. See you around later. Whee! Ah! Oh!